Hello and welcome back, and thank you for selecting our distance learning courseware. I am Missa, your host for the first part of this chapter about diabetic emergencies and altered mental status. My colleague Justin and I will take turns presenting the material. As a reminder, or in case you are starting in this chapter, most of the course materials are available via audio, so you can listen while on the move. The audio is intended to complement the written materials and may vary from the words in the slide deck. More importantly, we will include some essential additional information, so be sure to listen carefully. Justin, do you have anything to add?
Thank you, Missa. First, I want to thank the course instructor Amy Lynn Roberts for providing the guidance and material to share with you. If you should have questions, please notice the left-hand column on this page, and use the tab named Browse Q&A. Here you are able to view other students' questions and responses, or ask your own. Answers will be made available within one business day or sooner. Questions will be covered during the daily chat and video sessions as well. Missa, please continue.
Thanks, Justin. There are 2 videos during this topic. The first video, called Diabetes, Etiology and Pathophysiology, will be available after the lesson on diabetes. The second video, discussing transient ischemic attacks, will be presented toward the end of this topic just before the chapter review lesson. There are several core concepts in this topic. We begin with the pathophysiology of the reticular activating system, and then continue with the general approaches to assessing a patient with an altered mental status. Then we discuss the causes, assessment and care of the patient, starting with diabetes and various diabetic emergencies. We then discuss a variety of conditions that may cause an altered mental status, beginning with sepsis. We then continue with seizure disorders. Next we discuss TIAs and stroke, and finishing with dizziness and syncope. Finally, there will be a chapter review before the 15-question quiz at the end. You will need to answer 75% of the questions accurately to get credit for this topic. Good studying.